Hello once again and greetings from Japan. It's April the 26th, pretty sure of that. And today we have a Toyota Alphard. It's the MNH10, so it has the V6 3-liter engine. It's showing 39,000 miles, which is 64,000 kilometers. And it's just a proper clean car. So let's take a look at it. It's got the full aero kit, of course, and the body is very clean with some very minor scratches. Standard factory 17-inch alloys with very good radial tires. For more detailed, please refer to the Dropbox link of about 60 photographs. So it's got the optional winker mirrors, which is rather nice, and very clean body panels all the way down. All the usual places are clean. Well, the usual places where you can get nasty scratches are clean. Again, nice clean alloys and standard taillights. Good and clean on the corners. Okay, standard muffler. It has what do you call it? Easy access doors. So if you push a little black button on the driver door or the rear door, it locks it, and if you walk up to the car with the key in your pocket, it automatically unlocks it. So, and very clean. And the headlining. Nice clean headlining. Okay. Nice clean. Bumper corner. Yeah. Alloys. Okay, very clean along here. Okay, 2006 with the V6 engine, 39,000 miles. Just a proper clean example. Nice clear HID AFS headlights. Fogs, no fading on the bumper, which can be common on this color. I think this is the 042 white, and the bumpers can fade, but this one is very nice. Very nice shiny example. Okay, comes with a full set of keys, which you can see here, and it has auto folding mirrors. So there again is another little dealer option. It's not a standard feature. And it has the so if the car is locked and you walk up with the keys in your pocket, you just touch the handle and it opens up. Same on the rear gate. Okay, take a look inside. It has the grey Alcantara interior, non-smoking interior, no damage on the piping or the seat at all. It's very nice. And this one actually, I believe, came in with a full set of over carpets, so the front carpets haven't even been used. It's a very strange habit new car owners have in this country. They don't enjoy the carpets they pay for. I don't get it. Then it's a nice steering wheel, proper steering wheel. And here we have the controls for the two doors, the interior doors and the AFS if you want to turn it off. And this one has the rear illuminated fog light, standard one fitted, but there is no fog light on it. But we installed the fog switch just to make it a little bit easier, and also it is the standard Toyota switch. Okay, it's always nice to have the standard parts. Okay, let's start her up. As you can see, showing 64,000 kilometers, the equivalent of 39,000 miles. This is a two-wheel drive version. Positively non-smoker. All the little guard blocks all working properly. Full set of car manuals. And one of the keys is a little bit damaged. There's a new case there for those who like to have everything just perfect. It's always very nice. The gear knob is nice. All the little glove boxes in perfect condition. The rear drink tray and the front drink tray all working perfectly. This one doesn't have a rear camera, but it does have the camera on the back, but it's not connected. But I would assume that most people will be changing out the stereo unit anyway. So anyway, you have a camera already installed on the back gate. So when you do install your new audio, it's all there. As you saw, the automatic mirrors are working. The automatic, oh well, it needs resetting, but if the battery's being disconnected, you have to reset the windows, and sorry, they didn't do that. Anyway, they all work. All the windows work properly, and they're all automatic. As I say, when you disconnect the battery, you have to reset them, which is a simple procedure of holding the button down, but don't ask me to do it right now. Okay, you've got the armrests all in very nice shape. They're not squashed at all. I think that's about it for the interior. Okay, let's have a look at the sliding doors. We didn't show you the sliding doors and the engine compartment. So make sure that, oh, I need the keys. Doing very well today. And of course the sliding doors work remotely from your keys. As I say, there's two remote keys and two remote fobs as well, which gives you the hands-free access when locking and unlocking the car. And one more look inside. So, okay, full grey Alcantara interior. Again, very clean carpets. It's a very clean car. Okay. The back seats. Right. And the engine compartment, which is, except for a few leaves there. The V6 VVTi engine. And okay, and the auction sheet. You can see how clean the steps are. That's just the same throughout the car, literally unscratched. So this one came from, it didn't come from a TA auction, a CA auction. I think it came from a JU auction, I think. And it's year 18, so it's a 2006, January, MNH 10. It got an auction grade of 3.5. The reason being, it mentions these days a lot of cars get a grade 3.5 because it says the rear panel has a slight dent on it, but it's literally nothing. And then they have to grade it 3.5 for some reason. Anyway, whatever. It also mentions the engine check lamp. The engine check lamp was on. It was one of the O2 sensors, which we have changed. It's a common thing on a car, on these cars, on the older cars. The O2 sensors need replacing, and it's no big deal to do. And it didn't have any audio in it at all, so we just stuck one in for now, rather than leave a hole there, but obviously you're going to change it. It had seat covers, which explains why the seats are so clean. This guy had seat covers, and he covered all the carpets and everything, so you get an as new interior. And it also says the wheel have small scratches, but actually I think, I'm not sure, but I think we actually changed the wheels on this to put decent tires on it. So I think that's what happened there. Anyway, you can see the wheels were clean and the tires are very good indeed. Okay. I think that is it. Looking for a new owner and a new lease of life in the UK. Very suitable car, very useful vehicle, carrying 8 people or bikes or whatever you fancy. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. so it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.